Welcome to today's video. Today's video is a reenactment of a true situation that just happened a couple hours ago. Enjoy. All right, I'm coming. Hold on. Oh, sweet. My package is here. What the hell? Caution. If this tape is broken or covered, check for hidden damage and concealed loss in presence of the carrier. Note all facts on the receipt. Oh, holy shit. This box did come beat up pretty badly. And it's just funny because in today's society, we're all about convenience over quality. So just make sure that whatever items you are getting shipped from whoever realizes the value. This stuff was cheap. There was nothing of real value in here. A couple of GoPro items, stuff like that. Nothing really breakable, but I bought a couple of SD cards that could have easily fallen through this gaping hole in my box. Well, happy Father's Day to all you mothers out there. Cheers, an icy cold Stella Artois. Have a great day. Take care. See ya.